So the only way to actually get better at something is to fail. And you probably already have heard this before, but are you failing enough? I just took a walk at the park. I just took a walk at the park, and that's what I was thinking about is that to actually get better at creating content and to actually get better at speaking, the only way for me to do that is by doing. I can watch as much content as I can, and I can be learning, and my beliefs can actively be changing, which there is a benefit to, but like there's no better learning than by failing and doing. So a hack or a thought I had is to purposely fail, purposely embarrass yourself, purposely put yourself out there, purposely get uncomfortable, and you'll grow. You'll become more comfortable being uncomfortable. You'll become more comfortable at failing. And the thing is, when you fail and fail and fail, you also have to do reflection. Okay, I failed, I failed, I failed. What can I do better now? And so that's why I'm making another video right now. I'm practicing. You know how you know how if you're practicing a sport, you have to get certain reps in? Like if you're practicing basketball, the way to actually get better is to practice like the fundamentals, practice free throws, make thousands of free throws, and then work your way out. But it all starts at the fundamental level. It all starts at getting the reps in. It starts with small building blocks, and then it kind of just naturally grows itself. All you really have to worry about is doing the reps. Do the reps, do the reps, do the reps. And then from there, it will grow on its own accord. Like all you have to do is the inputs, and growth will just naturally take place. You don't have to like force anything. So that's just been something I thought of on my walk, and it's something that I realized that I need to start doing more myself. I need to start doing, doing, and failing and failing and failing so that it becomes easy. You know, a basketball player, when they've made thousands and thousands and thousands of free throws, it becomes easy for them to make a free throw shot. And so, yeah, it's about the reps. It's about failing. I didn't feel like making this video, so there's a level of discomfort, but in discomfort comes growth. There's pain in discomfort, but pain is not a bad thing. Pain is one of the pain can be a big motivator. Pain can build you up. Prolonged pain can build you up and build your character and make you stronger. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be putting myself in uncomfortable positions. I'm going to be doing more and then reflecting. I was in a period where I've been learning a lot and changing my beliefs and consuming a lot of self-improvement content, which is good. And my, internal dialogue is changing, but it's time to also do and test out the things that I've been learning. So, yeah, this was just a spontaneous video, and hopefully you got some value out of it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and if you want personalized coaching, check out the link in the description, and I'd be happy to work with you. If you're struggling with porn addiction, working out, and eating healthy, being consistent, I can help you with those things. I can help you get rid of your bad habits. So, yeah, maybe we could work together. Check out the link in the description. Thank you.